2018 Chevrolet Express Cargo Review. The 2018 Chevrolet Express Cargo van is dated rather than as modern or versatile because so it is competitors. Full-size vans are perfect vehicles for contractors and small business owners because of their expansive cargo areas and substantial payload and towing capabilities. The 2018 Chevrolet Express is one kind of these versatile equipment haulers, with class-leading towing figures and also a reasonable starting price. But its many drawbacks should make you consider among its rivals instead. The primary knock-up against the Express is its age. The Express launched in 1996 and possessors received only sporadic refreshes and updates ever since then. The cabin is positively dated up against the rest on the class, along with the Express offers no latest safety and technology highlights of its competitors. Although offered in standard and extended wheelbases, the Express has less cargo volume than other vans because single low roof height while other people offer multiple roof configurations. And while towing and payload capabilities are commendable, its inefficient V8s will put an increased dent within the monthly fuel bill than competitors' V6 engines. Given the strength on the competition and not enough distinctive advantages, it's tough to recommend the Chevrolet Express. What's new? Last year's base 4.8-litre V8 has become replaced by the 4.3-litre V6, sticking with the same horsepower and torque. General Motors OnStar system and also a rear-view camera are standard. Several new packages, like the safety, cargo and communications packages, have become available. Since the 2018 Chevrolet Express is available in weight trim, your cargo hauling needs will determine which engine and wheelbase configuration is most beneficial. If it were around us, we'd get started with the long wheelbase version to generate up for that Express height compromised cargo area. We'd also opt for the 4-cylinder diesel engine for the superior fuel economy. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Chevrolet Express Cargo is usually a full-size van with 2 seats plus an expansive cargo area. Its Express passenger sibling fills this space with additional rows of seating. 2 load desks can be purchased, 2,500 and 3,500. Each could be ordered within a standard or extended wheelbase configuration. No matter which starting configuration you end up picking, the Express Cargo comes only within a single, modestly equipped weight trim. Numerous standalone options are offered. By default, the rear-wheel drive Express Cargo is powered by way of a 4.3-litre V6 276 horsepower, 298 pound-feet of torque paid in an 8-speed automatic transmission. Alternate powertrains can be found if the standard V6 doesn't satisfy your desires, including a 6.0-litre V8 341 horsepower, 373 lb-ft matched with a 6-speed automatic along with a 2.8-litre 4-cylinder diesel engine 181 horsepower, 369 lb-ft with the 8-speed auto. The WT's standard features include 16-inch steel wheels, 6,040 split-opening doors within the right side, a motorist information display, AC, power windows and locks, vinyl upholstery and rug, LED cargo lighting, 6-string cargo tie-downs, a 120-volt outlet, a rear-view camera, a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, GM's OnStar communications, plus a top-speaker speakers with AM/FM radio with an auxiliary jack. Major equipment packages range from the convenience package, which adds a tilt-adjustable leader and cruise control, along with the chrome appearance package, which chrome bumpers and grille. The hotel shuttle package adds the chrome appearance items as well as the 6.0-litre V8, a sliding rear passenger door, heated power mirrors, another row of seating, tinted glass and rear cargo windows. Meanwhile, The safety package adds the contents and the convenience package, the V8 engine, power adjustable mirrors, rear parking sensors with backup alarm and blind spot monitoring, whilst the ambulance package uses the V8, a heavy-duty locking differential plus a more powerful battery and alternator. A separate bundle adds a 6.5-inch touch screen, navigation, Bluetooth, a CD player as well as a USB port. Some with the above features might be added as standalone options. Other options include all-terrain tires, remote locking and unlocking, remote engine start, rear parking sensors, a backup alarm, a leather-wrapped tire, cloth upholstery, power-adjustable front seats, satellite radio, a spray-in cargo liner, and rear aircon and heating. Trim tested. Has not even driven any version of the vehicle. The following is our first undertake what's significant regarding it and how much. Driving. Even the standard wheelbase Express is often a large vehicle, also it drives like one. Tidy handling and accurate steering are certainly not among the big Chevy's marching orders. The upgraded V8 engine is responsive, though, and easily as the van approximately highway speeds, despite the presence of a full load of cargo. Comfort. The driver and front passenger are divided by a huge center bulge covering some in the engine and transmission. The width once causes the motive force to feel squeezed even during this large vehicle. The basic controls are simple to find and easy to use, but comforts are few. Interior. The interior looks exceptionally dated compared to the entire class. The old-school vibe continues, with all the engine covering that protrudes into the motive force and passenger footwell. Getting in the cargo area is hampered by way of a low roof plus the lack of a door behind the motorist. Utility. Cargo volume behind the top seats measures 239.7 cubic feet within the short wheelbase SWB Express, increasing to 284.4 cubes inside long wheelbase LWB model. Cargo capacity inside SWB model is at line with just one van's. Even so, the LWB's volume is lacking. Rivals offer taller roofs. Technology. The standard radio comes only with AM/FM radio reception with an auxiliary jack. You'll have to pay more for any CD player, satellite radio, a USB port, with an ancient touchscreen interface that is certainly several generations taken off what's found in other Chevrolets.